Hi, this is Merv Neal from Laughter Yoga Australia, presenting one of our other amazing presenters for our conference. This is my friend Sharon, and she's going to tell you why you should be excited about coming along and listening to her at the conference. Over to you, Sharon.
Hello, marvellous Merv. How are you going, Merv? Nice to talk to you down there in Melbourne. And good luck with the lockdown. So we're going to be doing a wonderful conference this year online. We were going to be going to Perth, but I'm just as excited to be presenting via the internet. So my subject is being a positivity ambassador, and that really starts from the inside out, Merv, doesn't it? It starts with looking after your mental health, your physical health, your emotional well-being, and also your spiritual health, so you can spread it out into the world.
And what will they experience, Sharon?
Well, who knows what they'll experience? I can't absolutely say what they'll experience. Who knows? But we're going to be doing some wonderful smile meditation, some laughter work, some exercises to encourage positivity. And also we're going to look for the positive, because when you look for the positive, when you seek it, you will find it. And that's very good for your immune system, particularly right now in the world, to activate our parasympathetic nervous system, and whoosh, out goes the positive vibrations, and it's good for your health.
Very good. Can't wait. So you're going to experience Sharon online, in person, doing a whoosh thing. Can't wait. It'll be on the 23rd of October. See you soon. Bye-bye.